Carbon Central is your platform for carbon reporting, digital certification, and guarantee of origin tracking, making sustainability measurable, verifiable, and transparent. We help your business manage environmental data with confidence. The market is facing growing pressure to validate sustainability claims from regulators, investors, and customers. Spreadsheets, siloed tools, and manual processes make tracking emissions and provenance complex and error prone. Carbon Central solves this by digitizing your operations, integrating with meters and data, and issuing verifiable digital tokens to back your sustainability claims. Let's walk through how a project is set up. You start by entering your project type, whether it's green hydrogen or fuels production, renewable energy, or a corporate emissions initiative. Enter other project information such as the location to form a base for alignment with any international standards like ISCC, Energy Tag, or your own internal KPIs. At the heart of Carbon Central is the digital twin. It models your process as a chain of events, inputs, outputs, and calculations. You can use a pre-built template or customize your own, adding steps for production, logistics, storage, and energy use. Each step can collect data from on-site meters or IoT sources, or accept manual entries where automation isn't possible to attach supporting documents like weighbridge receipts or audit results. This structure creates an immutable record of what happened and when, giving you confidence in the integrity of your project data. You can also run batch tracking, tagging unique information to customized periods of time. This gives you flexibility to align data for quarterly or annual reporting and auditing. Once you've got your data set up, you can configure token rules. The issuance of digital certificates can happen automatically, for example, issuing a token per ton of product, or it can be triggered manually based on time periods. Tokens are stored on a blockchain-backed trust chain, ensuring data provenance. Each token contains the full digital history of its life cycle, allowing traceability, carbon scoring, and certification. This is especially relevant to institutions looking to validate carbon calculations, green investments, or ESG-linked products. All activity can be visualized with our Trust Chain Explorer to view a time-stamped audit trail of information. Users can view project summaries, drill into specific batches and metadata. Using the blockchain data, users can export PDF or digital reports. Whether it's a guarantee of origin, an emissions report, or aviation fuel delivery certificate, everything is packaged in your preferred format, ready for audit and your downstream customers. Carbon Central is built to be modular and dynamic. It is compatible with most industrial systems. We use high-quality data and time-stamped digital twins to create a complete provenance record. The result is reliable information, ideal for ongoing operational insight and compliance. We've used this technology to help a range of customers such as Global Resource Recovery Northern Territory, who used Carbon Central to digitize their glycol recycling operations, enabling real-time lifecycle tracking for third-party validation. Carbon Central isn't just designed for industry, it's built for the institutions powering the transition. For banks and financial institutions, it bridges the gap between capital and measurable impact. By providing verified ESG data straight from the source, Carbon Central enables lenders and investors to assess climate risk, monitor financed emissions, and support green initiatives with confidence. Carbon Central empowers organizations across sectors to bring trust, transparency, and automation to sustainability reporting and digital assets. Track, tokenize, and certify your environmental impact, all in one place. As sustainable finance accelerates, Carbon Central helps build the ecosystem that supports it, enabling the exchange of verified green commodities and impact tokens with traceability at their core.